Hi guys, welcome to Ask Me a Definition. Today we are going to learn class 9 standard interconversion of states of matter, which is taken from NCERT Science class 9 standard textbook. The first unit, matter in our surroundings. So far we have concluded in the part 1 what is matter, what are the characteristics of particles. So today we are going to learn in detail what are the three states of matter and how to differentiate between these three, and what is the effect of the temperature and the pressure. So the objective for the class to the effect of temperature to define interconversion of states of matter. This podcast which you are listening now is brought to you by Mr. Amaresh, a teacher in chemistry. We see that the three states of matter which are present in our surrounding are generally classified into solids, liquids and gases. By the help of temperature, when we provide, the solids can be converted into liquids and liquids can be converted into gases. The process are freezing and boiling respectively. So to measure this effect, we use different units of the temperature, which can be a Kelvin temperature, which is taken to be the standard temperature, and degree Celsius, which is taken normally, and Fahrenheit, which is generally represented in medicinal field. We have absolute zero temperature at 0 Kelvin, and water will get frozen at 0 degree Celsius and water boils at 100 degree Celsius. These are the three units which we must know. And how to interconvert these temperature formulas. For this, we have certain formulas mathematically which are given, in which we convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit by the help of 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. Similarly, for to convert degree Celsius to Kelvin, we are going to add plus 273. And why only exactly 273 we are going to add here? It is actually learnt in Charles law, which is learnt in higher classes. And now, if you want to convert the following into the Kelvin temperatures as well into the degree Celsius, please note down these particular questions which are given and try to convert them into the instruction given. I hope you have done that. Now, when we increase the temperature between the particles, the number of collisions becomes more and more, because of which vibration, rotation will become consistently high, due to which the heat transfer takes place from high energy to the low energy. And now to learn about the effect of pressure, we say that the pressure has got direct influence on the state of matter. Gases can be turned into liquid by just cooling or compressing. When we decrease the temperature, increase the pressure. And the last influencing factor here will be the latent heat, which is also a characteristic property of a matter. Latent heat is nothing but the energy which is supplied for a substance to change the state of matter. And remember, it does not increase the temperature of a substance. Now, after understanding the temperature and the pressure, how they influences, we now are ready to understand the interconversion of states of matter. As we told already, the interconversion between liquid, solid and gases can be taken up by different terms. Much in detail about these terms we will take up in our next podcast. Until then, we will recap what we have done so far. We understood how temperature influences the physical state of matter, and we also learned what are the different scales we measure temperature: Kelvin temperature, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. And we also did understand how to convert them. And effect of pressure and the latent heat are the terms which we understood here. Thank you. If you like our work, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.